Nakamoto, a name that appears on the list of the world's wealthiest people, ranking at number 12. Yet, no one truly knows who this person is. Is it one man, a group? Are they alive or dead? In this video, we'll dive deep into the mysterious life of Satoshi Nakamoto, the legendary figure behind Bitcoin. This was the first time the world heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto, the person who created Bitcoin. In that year, he published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document laid the foundation for what we now know as the digital revolution of money. He is considered the founder of Bitcoin and is often referred to as the king of the digital world. In 2009, Satoshi launched the first Bitcoin blockchain and made the first ever Bitcoin transaction, sending 1 Bitcoin to his friend. In total, he mined 21 million Bitcoins, the maximum supply ever to exist. Now, the big question, where is Satoshi Nakamoto from? Some people believe he's from the United States or the United Kingdom, while others claim he might be Japanese. The truth is, no one really knows. There's no confirmed identity or verified background. Is Satoshi Nakamoto still alive? From 2011 to 2025, there hasn't been a single email, message, or sign of activity from him. For over 14 years, he has remained completely silent. This has led many to believe that he may have passed away. However, others argue that he is still alive and simply hiding his identity to stay anonymous. How much Bitcoin does he own? It is believed that Satoshi owns around 1.1 million Bitcoins, which is worth approximately $75 billion. If he ever decides to sell all his Bitcoins, it could crash the entire crypto market, possibly bringing Bitcoin's price down from over $122,000 to as low as $20,000, $30,000. We must understand that Satoshi Nakamoto was not an ordinary person. He was a genius who created Bitcoin, a revolutionary idea that changed the future of finance. And even today, his name stands as a legend in the crypto world. He ranks number 12 among the world's richest people, yet his identity remains complete mystery. This was a brief documentary on the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. Found this video interesting? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.